Hi, this is Amelia from Vidnoz team. Today I'll show you how amazing if you use Vidnoz template to make a cooking tutorial for your business. In this scene, show users the picture of your piece of work to attract their attention. Then, tell users all the ingredients that they have to prepare before the cooking tutorial. You should make it as detailed as possible. Now, tell your viewer the very first step, and you can also explain the reason why they should do this. Next, continue to give some advice in the process of the cooking, like some tricks to make the whole thing easier. Here, to be extremely clear on those ingredients used. They'll have a huge influence on the dish later. Then, take a great picture of what you cook to show how useful your tutorial is. In the last scene, thank viewers for watching, and put your brand information on, which can definitely grow your followers and boost your business. Try it now.